Okay, we are taking a nice long stroll in the woods since I will be home for a couple of weeks and I don't want to stay inside anymore. So I'm thinking the best place to be would be outdoors with my favorite girls.
And me.
And my daughter. My daughter's my favorite girl. And then my Lucy and Lexi. But anyway, I'm going to take a nice long stroll in the woods. And when I get home, I am going to try and make a bracelet. First time using 20 gauge wire and a few like glass beads. Gonna see how it's gonna turn out. And I will record. Bye for now. Okay, I'm back from my hike and I decided to make the bracelets I was telling you about. I got the idea from a YouTuber, Abby Berta. She had a DIY with 20 gauge wire and some glass beads. So I stopped by Michael's today, picked up the wire, and decided to make these bracelets. Here's one. I have silver with a blue glass bead. This one I had copper wire, and these are like a yellowish, which is really cool because here it looks like it's kind of copper color, but if you, and with the copper wire, but if you look at the one with the silver tone, this is the same bead, but it's like yellow. So this is the true color of the stone, but when it's with the copper, it turns almost like a copper color. It's really neat. So I made a bunch of these. Here's another one. I'm going to have to go back to Michael's and get more glass beads. I thought I had some, but I do not. So, and here's another blue and silver. Okay. And I decided to make some bracelets. I had my couple of dogs that I had their ashes, and I ended up making some bracelets out of my Juliet's and my Clemmie's ashes. So here's one, and here's another, and here's another, which says a family's love is forever. I love that one. And here's one, half lava stones, and then I took all the colors that I had extra and just put them on this bracelet. And then I threw this one in. These were flowers that I got from Valentine's Day, and I decided just to make a plain one without a charm. So that's what I have been doing. Tomorrow I'm sure I'm going to be crafting something else. So stay tuned. Have a wonderful Wednesday night. Bye-bye.